And so good morning, grade 7.
Good morning, sir.
So how's your weekend?
It was fine, thank you.
Sir, bitin.
Did you go to church?
No, COVID.
No.
Sir, tabitin ng
COVID.
weekends.
Ayan, so last meeting, we have discussed the sets and the set operations.
Set.
So,
Yes, sir.
what is set again?
It's a collection.
It is a collection of well-defined things or
Objects.
terms. So for example, the items you wear, that is an example of a set. Kasi hindi naman pwedeng brief lang ang suot mo. Hindi pwedeng pantas lang ang suot mo. It must be a set. Hindi naman pwedeng naka-medyas ka lang. Di ba? Or pwede nating sabihin na hindi naman pwedeng iisa paa mo na may medyas. Yung isa naka-tsinelas. So, it is not considered as set. Diba? So, an example of set is the way how you dress yourselves. So, all the items that you wear, that's it. That is an example of set. So, meron naman tayong dalawang uri ng set. We have the infinite and the finite. So, kapag sinabi natin finite,
There's ending.
there is an ending or kaya mong bilangin. May hangganan lang ang set mo. For example, the set of your hands. Diba? So ilan lang yan? Lilima lang naman yan. We have the index, middle, ring, thumb, and may isa pa.
Pinky.
Ayan. So, yung may sobra, hindi ko na alam kung anong pangalan nun. So that is an example of a set na finite. Pero pag sinabi mo naman na infinite, para naman pag infinite, walang
Hindi nyo
walang
matotohanan.
hangganan. Or sa Tagalog, ang infinity is awanggan. So take note of that, awanggan. Awanggan is
Awanggan.
infinity, awanggan. Yun yung ano niya sa wikang Filipino. So when we say infinite, hindi mo alam or walang katapusan yung terms natin. So ano yung so that it is infinite? It shows infinite if meron siyang 3 dots. Ayan. So kung meron siyang 3 dots like this is called ellipsis.
Ellipsis.
Natin ng heart.
Ellipsis.
So this is ellipsis. So kapag may ganyan siya, therefore it is infinite.
Finite.
Nakuha? So all of these numbers or
sir.
things na nasa loob ng isang set are called your elements or are called your elements or member, meaning or mean the same thing.
Yes, sir.
And so let's go now to, we already done with this. So kung nasa gitna yung ellipsis, that's finite pa din. Kasi nasa gitna lang siya. For example, is A, B, ... X, Y, Z. So kung ganon, may hangganan pa rin siya. How about notation? Wait. What is that again? Ayan. So let's have a recap on equality. Kapag sinabing equality naman, they are equal. So, for example, set A is 1, 2, 3, 4. And then set B, we have 4, 3, 2, 1. Is it equal?
Yes.
Yes, kasi
Yes,
all
sir.
of the numbers that are in A are also in set B. So 1, 2, 3, 4 lang sa A, 4, 3, 2, 1 lang sa B. So equal pa rin sila basta every element of both of set A and set B are both at the same set. So they are equal.
Equal.
So how about subset? So ang subset naman, lahat, for example, I have given an universal set, basta yung set na gagawin mo ay ang dun lahat yung members niya sa binigay na set. For example is this. Nabil, Derek, Eunice, and Hans. So, can I have a set or a subset for Derek? Ang kinokontain niya lang is si Derek. Is that a subset or no?
No.
Are you sure? Si Derek ba nasa pagpipilian? Nasa set A?
Oh, yes, yes, yes.
Yes, therefore,
Yes.
basta meron sa set A, that is a subset. For example, A, B, C, D.
Subset.
So, I created the subset B, which is B, C, D. Is that a subset or not?
Yeah, it is a subset.
It is a subset because ang set A natin is A, B, C, D. Wherein, ang subset natin na B, C, D is at that set. So, nasa loob. Basta nasa loob siya, that is a subset. Pero kapag nadagdagan na, that is not a subset na. For example, A, B, C, D lang yung set natin and then nag-subset siya, C, D, E. So, walang E doon, di ba? So, that is not a subset anymore of that set. So, yung empty naman, yung empty set naman natin is lalagyan mo lang siya ng ito, this symbol. So, it represents this one, null set or empty set. So, week 2, we have still sets. So, problem solving involving sets
Set.
for the Venn
Set.
diagram. So, ayan, ulitin lang natin. Sets is a collection of things. For example, the items you wear is a set. So, this include your hat, shirt, jacket, pants, and so on. So, yung so on na yan, you can use, what do you call that one? Headband,
Infinite.
underwear.
Yes.
Ayan. So that is a subset. So you can also have sets of numbers. So set of numbers, we have the whole numbers. Ano ba yung mga whole numbers na yan? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have the counting numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so on. So that is an example of an infinite set. Kasi hindi naman naubos ang numbers natin. We have the prime numbers. We have 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 17, 19. We have the odd numbers. We have the 1, 3, 5, 7, and so on. We have also the even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, marami-rami yan. So it is infinite. So we have here an problem. So 10 best friends. You could have a set made up of 10 best friends, tama? So example
Yes.
dito, Alex, Blair, Casey, Drew, Erin, Francis, Glenn, Hunter, Ira, and Jade. So each friend is an element or member of the set. So it is normal to use lowercase letter for them kasi nga ang set natin dapat ang tawag natin sa set ay malaki or capital letter and yung names naman or yung members or yung elements natin must be small letters or lowercase letters. Kaya yung pangalan dito, as you can see, it is in a small letter or nasa lowercase siya. So, let's say that Alex, Casey, Drew, and Hunter play soccer. Ayan, si Alex daw, si Casey, si Drew, and si Hunter is nagpiplay rin sila ng soccer. So, it says that the set soccer is made up of the element Alex, Casey, Drew, and Hunter. Yung una naman, ay yung pangalawa naman is si Casey, Drew, and Jade naman play tennis. So, meron tayong set dito. We have the soccer. We also have the set tennis. So, we can put their names in two separate circles. So yung nag-play ng soccer, we have Alex, Casey, Drew, and Hunter.
XK, Drew,
And for the
tennis.
second circle, yung naglalaro naman ng tennis, we have si Casey, Drew, and Jade.
Drew, J.
Okay. So, meron tayong tinatawag na union. So, you can now list your friends that play soccer or tennis. Kapag sinabing union, pinagsama or pinagkabit. So, this is called union of set and has the special symbol. And union is, the symbol for union is U. Ayan, so soccer, union with tennis. So, lahat ng andon ay pagsamahin mo lang. So, combine all the elements. So, we have Alex. So, let's see. We have Alex, Casey, Drew, Hunter, and Jade. Ayan, si
Jade.
Alex. Casey. Doon na yung pangalan ni Casey, kaya isusulat na lang natin siya isang beses. Si Drew also, ang doon na. Isang beses lang natin isusulat. Si Hunter, isang beses lang din. And si Jade. Ayan. So, not everyone is in the set. So, only your friends that play soccer or tennis or both. So, in the words, we combine, in other words, we combine the elements of the two sets. So, ano maging itsura niya? Ganito. So, this is the example of your Venn diagram na. So, we can show that in a Venn diagram, ayan, si soccer, si tennis, si Casey and Drew plays both sport, di ba? Si Casey kanina and Drew plays soccer also. Si tennis. Si Casey and Drew also plays tennis. Ayan. So, a Venn diagram is clever because it shows lots of information. So, do you see that Alex, Casey, Drew, and Hunter are in the soccer? And that Casey, Drew, and Jade are in the tennis? So, in here, in the clever thing, Casey and Drew are in both set. Kaya yung nagduktong na yan, ayan, naglalaro si Casey and Drew ng soccer, also with tennis. Kaya nagkaroon sila ng union. So this is called union, yung pinagsama or yung piniplay nila both na nasa set A and nasa set B. Ayan. So, all that in one small diagram. So lahat ng itong dalawang circle na to is called Venn diagram. It is the union of two sets. Nakukuha na susundan?
Yes, sir.
So basta kapag union, pinag-combine. So this is the first set. This is the second set. Pinag-combine. That is the union. How about the intersection? So ang symbol natin for union is U. Baliktad. U. 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 Ayan. So we have the intersection then. So intersection is when you must be in both set. So in our case, that means they play both soccer and tennis. Which is Casey and Drew naman, tama? So the symbol for intersection is upside down of the symbol union. So like this. So baliktad na. So union, pinagsama, nagpi-play sila ng both, di ba? And ang union ang intersection naman is end. So ibig sabihin dalawa. So
okay.
ang union natin, ang intersection natin is ito. Si Casey and si Drew. So this is the intersection of two sets. So kanina, sa union natin, andun pa yung apat. Di ba? Na nabanggit. Pero kapag tinatanong lang si intersection, it must be end. So yung dalawa lang na nasa gitna nila. That is the intersection. So which way goes that you go? So think of them as cups. You hold more water than, ayan. So 'di ba, mas marami sila kaninang nasa union, pero nung nag-intersection na kung saan na lang sila, parehas. So the union is the one with elements than more elements than intersection. So mapapansin nyo, mas marami si union kaysa kay intersection. Kasi sa intersection, ulitin ko lang, it holds only end. So yung nasa gitna lang. That is the intersection. Let's make it fast.
Yes,
You
sir.
can also subtract one set from another. So for example, taking soccer and subtracting tennis means people that play soccer but not tennis. So sino yung dalawang yon? Si Alex and
Alex and
Hunter lang. So that is the difference. How about plays tennis lang? So yung dalawa din lang. So summary so far, U is for union, magkasama. It is either set or both set. Intersection, both only in both set. And we have the difference, one set but not the other.
yeah.
And so we have three sets naman. So you can also use three sets in a Venn diagram. So let us say the third set is volleyball, which Drew, Glenn, and Jade play. So let them be more mathematical and use the capital letters na lang. So soccer for S, T for tennis, and V for volleyball. Ayan. So si Drew daw is kasama naman siya ngayon sa volleyball ulit. So ilan yung piniplay na sport ni Drew? We have 3 na. We have the soccer, kasama pa rin siya sa circle. Dito naman sa circle na to, sa tennis, kasama pa rin siya. Yes, correct?
Volleyball.
And in volleyball also, si Drew pa din. So, nakatatlong sport na siya. So that is the union of 3 sets. So, set for soccer, set for tennis, and set for volleyball. So you can see that, yan. So we can now have fun with unions and intersections. So si Alex, si Hunter, si Casey, and si Drew for set S.
Soccer.
For set T naman, and V, we have ito, dalawa, yan nakalayan na. So this is the union of the two sets. So tanggalin mo lang ngayon si Alex and Hunter.
Hunter.
So this is the intersection of set S and V. So intersection naman nila. And set S and V. So ayan, tanggalin mo lang si letter T ngayon. Pero kasama pa rin naman si Casey and Drew, di ba?
Yes.
Pero wala kasing, ayan,
space.
This one. So as you can see, take the previous the intersection of set S and V, then subtract T, ito na lang yung matitira. So in other words, there is nothing or null set. Ang set.
Okay.
So paano natin
Yes, sir.
ang null set or empty set? Yung circle and then slash. That is a null set or empty set. So sa universe
Yes, sir.
naman ganito. Lahat-lahat na sila. So yung yung apat, walang sports. So si Blair, Erin, Francis, and Ira. So ito na yung tinatawag natin na, sa labas lang sila. Under lang sila ng universal set. Sa labas lang. So, ngayon, mabibilang na natin. Is that 10 already? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, lahat sila is ang dun na. Therefore, that is a Venn diagram na. Ayan. So, let's try to answer your worksheet or let's try to have an example. Nasaan? Ayun. And so let's try to have an example in your activity. Ayan. So this is your activity. So a group of boys were interviewed in their favorite sport. We have the volleyball or basketball. So the Venn diagram below shows the result. How many boys like volleyball for number 1? How many boys like volleyball?
Six.
So tignan natin. So tanggalin muna natin ito. Cut muna natin dyan. Tanggalin muna natin to. Therefore, ano magiging sagot? 6 plus 10, lahat ng nasa circle na ito. That is equal to?
16.
So 6 plus 10 is? The answer
16.
is? Whoa.
16.
16. Ayan. Nakuha?
Yes, sir.
So this is, itotal mo lang ito, that would be 16. How about basketball? Like basketball? So, tanggalin mo ngayon ito. Si volleyball, we have 10 plus 15.
25.
20.
5.
View. How about like volleyball and basketball? Ngayon naman, pinagsama mo daw si volleyball and basketball. So, nasan siya? Nasa intersection. Anong intersection natin? We have
10.
10.
10.
Ayan. So, ang tanong niya naman dito, how many boys did not like any of the games? So, yung wala sa loob ng circles natin, we have?
Hobby. 8.
8. And ilan lahat silang na-interview? We have 6 plus 10?
16.
Ilan? 16 plus 15? That's
31.
1 plus 8?
38. 39.
39.
9.
How about like volleyball only? So yung volleyball, ito lang, di ba? Itong part lang na to. That is
6.
6. How about like basketball only? This is the basketball. We have
15.
15. So any more question?
No, sir.
So try to answer the following, try to answer your activity na. So later on, we're going to discuss naman for the lessons for the 3rd week. So we're going to discuss
Yes, sir.
about the integers. So you can use this as your basis for your activity. Letter A is already been answered. So if you have questions about our lesson Venn diagram, you can message me on Edmodo. So see you later at 2:40, I think.
40.
Yes, 2:40.
Yes.
Until 3:20.
20.
Okay. So that's it for now. Have a nice day. Try to finish
You too.
your
Bye-bye.
activity na, this one, so that you can answer the week 3.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so have a nice day ahead. Good luck.
You too. Good
And
luck.
have a nice day.
God bless.
God
Bye-bye.
bless. So see you later.
Bye-bye. See you later too.
Bye.